Today we're taking you on a thrilling motorcycle ride to Buckeye Express Diner in Bellville, Ohio.
Get ready to join us on this exciting adventure as we hit the open road, enjoy some delicious food, and soak in the beautiful scenery along the way.
So sit back, relax, and let's rev up those engines for an unforgettable journey.
Well, we definitely got a beautiful day for a ride today, and we're going to be eating lunch here in about 10 minutes, and we'll be able to answer that question: are we really eating inside of a train? Stay tuned. I was hoping they would have this paved from the last time, but apparently not. Maybe they are going to be paving it. And they do have a little concreted area that I park at. Okay.
Here we are at the Buckeye Express Diner. Parked and ready to go in. And as you can see, it really is a train.
It is.
We're going to be having our dinner, lunch. And you can see here's the menu on the menu board. The inside here.
Okay. And the drink as well.
Yes, please.
That number is how I'll find it.
Walk into this section here. See, it's a lot of Buckeye stuff. Better be a Buckeye fan. More Buckeye paraphernalia. Very cool. And the legendary man himself, Wayne Woodrow Hayes. We'll take a walk back through here. You can see it really is a train. As we follow Dawn back to our table, we'll go all the way to the back here and show you what's back here with some more high state stuff. This is from the other side. So I was not kidding when I said it's a train. It really is. All right, here we are at the Buckeye Express Diner. And you place your order when you walk in the door, and then they bring it to your table. I would describe it as like burgers, wraps.
Yeah, very well known for their
You know.
burgers and
Yep, you can get fries and various things. Not too much as far as like big dinners, but
yeah.
you know,
And the prices
bar
are good
food.
too.
Yeah.
The prices are very good. So
yeah. So it's kind of definitely a cool ambiance in here. Is the, you know, as you can, I showed you it's an old train, and we'll show you around a little bit more around the outside after we're done eating. They've got some cool stuff outside, and
very unique. It's very Ohio Statey in here.
Yeah.
So OH.
OHIO. All right, you definitely. If you're not a Buckeyes fan, then I don't know if you'd be comfortable in here.
Don't come up if you like Michigan. Might be weird.
Yeah. All right. So we placed our order for our food, and we'll be getting that here in a couple minutes. All right. Pretty quick service. I've got the chicken ranch wrap, and Dawn got the big burger with the
Big
fries.
cheeseburger. Yeah,
And
looks amazing.
I got fries too. So we've eaten here a couple times, and the food's always been really good. So we are ready to dig in, and we'll tell you how it was after. And if you want some popcorn, not today, but they do have popcorn and some more cool high state stuff. And obviously that's what they think of anything from Michigan. You got some places to sit out here when, well, it's a beautiful day today. Probably not a lot of people sitting outside today. Stuff for the kiddos here. And in case they ever want to move it someday. Got something here to pull it with. Locomotive number 917. And once the train starts to move, Dawn gets it going. There you go. It's moving.
I chewed my horn.
And if they want to do a little yard work here, they've got some equipment. And this is the other side, from the road side. Show you what it looks like. That's where we were inside eating. Another section is the caboose down there. Mm-hmm. Actually have some seating in that area as well. And just another shot of locomotive 917. If you ever see it going down the railroad tracks near your home, you know where it came from. This is some of the additional grounds in the back. That train car back there used to be a rental, but apparently now the landlord of the property lives there. One thing you have to watch if you come here with a bike, it's kind of gravel parking. There's some gravel, there's a lot of dirt, but you either have loose gravel or you've got dirt. If it's dry, you're good. I would imagine on a rainy time, that's going to be a little bit muddy. So we had asked if they were planning on paving this, and the server said it had been discussed, but she had not heard if that was in the plan or not. But if you bring a bike up here, be a little bit careful, but there's usually quite a few bikes up here, so it's doable. All right, well, this is part of the program where we talk about how the food was. So I'm going to let Dawn tell you about that.
Yeah, so I had the cheeseburger and the french fries, and it's a lot. Like, that burger was huge. So if you're all about big, sloppy cheeseburgers, greasy, good diner-style burger, it's perfect. And the french fries were like fresh-cut potatoes.
Yep, and the price was good too. So I had the chicken wrap, and it was excellent. The couple times we have been here, it's been really good both times. So you won't be disappointed by the food. So highly recommend it from the food standpoint, the service. The server was very friendly, and again, like I said, the prices were awesome. So,
but one thing to keep in mind is to go to their Facebook page. You'll be able to get a better gauge on their hours. Google actually showed different hours, but once you go on their Facebook, they switched to a different set of hours. So we were able to adjust our day to make it up here before they closed at 4.
Yeah, we've actually found that with a couple different places we like going to due to trying to find the right help. A lot of places are changing their hours, and they don't change them on their Google page, but maybe if you go to their Facebook page or something like that, they'll usually have something on there that talks about what their updated hours are. So check on their hours before you come up. Right now, they're during the week, they're only open until 4. The weekend, they are open for dinner. So, but just check before you come up.
As you can see here, I mentioned the driveway is not paved. I don't know what their plans are, but I know last year when we came here, it was really loose gravel, and that was almost worse than what it is now. I'd rather have it be this hard stuff than that loose gravel. But we just finished up at Buckeye Express Diner, and now we're going to pop over to, while we're close to the area, we're going to pop over to Hale's Harley Davidson in Mansfield, about 20 minutes away. We'll give you a quick view of that when we get there. When you're looking for the road, there is a sign out by the road, but it's just past the speedway. And here's downtown Mansfield. It's like the city square.
Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures on two wheels.
We hope you enjoyed coming along for the journey and experiencing the thrill of the open road with us.
Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned for our next adventure.
Thanks for watching.